This degree is about creating the space, the safe space to undertake difficult conversations. We're not constrained. It reaches to every point of Aotearoa, whether it be by face-to-face, Zoom, tutorials.
That environment, it makes it a safe, easy place to learn.
It's actually about looking to the past to find the solutions that we face today.
And this program creates a new opportunity for life options. It's about being brave, to break beyond the barrier.
All of our people would benefit from this time and this space and this positive environment.
It's been the best degree that I've done so far, and I think it will be one of the best that I will ever do.